Hello, I hope all is well. So here's the problem that was requested. So the first thing I would do here is look at the relationship between my two trig functions and recognize when I look at tangent of 7 theta, same thing as sine 7 theta over cosine 7 theta. So if I'm just looking at this top up here, and I want to simplify that, I have cosine 7 theta. Let me write it like this. So cosine 7 theta times tan 7 theta is the same thing as cosine 7 theta times sine 7 theta over cosine 7 theta. So cosine over cosine will cancel, leave me with just sine of 7 theta. All right, so our new problem is, after you simplify, the limit of theta going to 0 of sine 7 theta over theta. Okay, make sure I got all my stuff right. Okay, so now this is going to lean on the premise of limit as theta go to 0 of sine x over x is equal to 1. And I put theta, need to put x. So now we're going to lean on this. The limit of sine x over x is equal to 1 as x goes to 0. But I need, look what we have here. I need whatever's being applied to by x to be the same thing as down here. So notice I have 7 theta here, but I only have theta here. So what I'm going to do is multiply top and bottom of that fraction by 7. All right, so now I'm looking at the limit 7 sine theta over 7 theta. Theta goes 0. And of course, this constant can be brought out front when you're dealing with limits. Now, if I apply this here, that part right there is going to be equal to 1. And your final answer will be 7. So I know your number, the problem that you sent me in the email had a different number, but it's the same process, same thought process. So just change the number out and you'll get your answer. Just didn't want to give it to you exactly the same as you saw it. But just changing the one number out would give you that exact same answer. So check this out, try it out. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns or problems on what we just did here. All right. Take care.